On behalf of District Judiciary, Purulia, it's my pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chief Justice and our Honorable Judges on this inaugural program of Judicial Complex at Purulia. I also welcome the members of Registry, Honorable High Court, Judges of Purulia District Court. I also welcome the Additional District Magistrate of Purulia. I also welcome President Secretary of Purulia Bar Association, Public Prosecutor of Purulia, and other dignitaries who are present with us today. Today is the happiest day for us. It was our dream to have suitable residential accommodation here at Purulia, as the existing quarters were not sufficient, and most of the existing quarters were become old and not habitable. From today onwards, we are going to have beautiful, suitable residential accommodation, the construction of which was commenced from the month of March 2019, and the construction was completed by the month of March 2020 within the period of 1 year. There are 3 separate buildings consisting of 6 flats each. Each of the flat is measuring about 1,450 square feet. There is also a community hall and parking space. This is also provision of installation of lift in future. During the course of construction, our Honorable General Judge had made his visit and inspected the site. His Lordship was pleased to give us valuable suggestion and advice regarding the quality and construction of work to be carried on. His Lordship was constantly in contact with us to see about the development and progress of work. We are very much thankful to His Lordship. We are also very much thankful to Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Judges for giving us their valuable time today for this inaugural program. Now I request Honorable Chief Justice to say a few words and to proceed further with the inaugural process.
Good morning.
Morning, my lord.
We are opening a new judicial residential complex to be occupied by judicial officers and their families. 18 units will be available in the present structure, which is spread on 3 towers. I am given to understand that there is sufficient open space which permits easy access for air to us rather than us to air. I'm also happy that the facilities have left open for the time being provision for lift in all the buildings. With passage of time, I look forward to this residential complex being utilized, not merely as a place to reside, but also for the judicial fraternity to grow in brotherhood and understanding cross culture as well as different aspects of community living. I'm sure that a very healthy practice can be evolved by the judicial officers finding time to meet during leisure periods and interact even on issues which may have impact on the judicial academics. I say this because I'm told that there is facility for conference and other small get-togethers in the buildings. I'm happy that this is a project which has been completed within the time schedule originally fixed, and that it is being made available for occupation at the earliest. On behalf of the High Court at Calcutta and also the State of West Bengal and the judiciary, and on behalf of all my officers as well as my brother and sister judges of the High Court at Calcutta, I declare this building inaugurated and opened for occupation. Thank you so much.
I am pulling the curtain. With the permission of my lord, I am putting the curtain.
Yes, please.
And may I be permitted to cut the ribbon?
Yes, yes. ভিডিও আটকে Judge Hugli, please take over and welcome all the lordships in my Lord the Chief Justice.
Good morning, my Lord, Honorable Justice, Honorable Chief Justice, and my lords. Today we have assembled at the child-friendly court, which has been housed at the Jila Parishad Bhavan. So, my lord, as per our program, we have tried our level best. It is a very short area, and space crunch is an issue here. However, my lord, we have tried our level best to place before your lordship the entire setup which has been built up here. Now, as a first step, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Justice to kindly unveil the plaque, my lord. My lord, this is the plaque, my lord.
Please do that. Please go ahead.
Okay, my lord.
Please.
Now, lordship, with your permission, I would like to lead the lamp, my lord.
Please do it.
Lordship, now with your lordship's permission, my lord, I will now go to the courtroom and will cut the ribbon, red ribbon.
Please. If we had this system at least, they would have saved so much of petrol on time, on manpower. It's all about this. No, that's what I'm saying.
Before
My lord, we are cutting the red
What
ribbon.
I'm saying is, we had this since about a decade ago. We would have lot of India had to save.
My lord, we are entering into the child-friendly courtroom with my POCSO judge, Mr. Manas Ranjan Shanal. He is there, my lord. Now, with the permission of your lordship, we will now place the entire setup in a slideshow form, my lord. With the permission.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Childhood should be carefree, playing in the sun, not living a nightmare in the darkness of the soul. Dave Palzer, the famous writer who authored the book A Child Called It, wrote this. In a child abuse case, the survivor is left with the fundamental problem in basic trust. It left a permanent scar in the mind of the child, which creates a mental blockage. The trial of any such case further reminds the trauma faced by her. Hence, a courtroom should have a congenial atmosphere where the child victim can identify the accused while playing with the game. In compliance with the mandate of the Honorable Apex Court, the child-friendly court at Chinchura district Hooghly has been set up on the first floor of Jila Parishad Bhavan, situated just opposite to the district court building. The entrance staircase, whereby the accused and the learned advocates can enter into the room, the technologically well-equipped courtroom, Ejlash with screen, the dais, it is centrally air-conditioned. This is the room. It shows the glass fitted at the adjacent room of accused. The passage and separate entrance of the victim. Both sides of the wall painted with cartoon in order to keep the environment child friendly. The accused room, adjacent to the courtroom, fitted with one-sided glass through which the only accused can see the court proceedings. The chamber of the officer, the victim witness room with the screen fitted on the wall which is interconnected with the courtroom. Considering the present pandemic situation, no games or toys are kept to avoid any problem with infection. However, it will be placed in future. The room is decorated with cartoon wallpaper. This is again coming out from the room, the passage. The entire passage, whereby having a separate exit and entrance. This is the entire setup of child-friendly court at Chinchura, Hooghly district, which has been inaugurated by the Honorable Court today. Thank you.
Lordship, again, come. Now, with the leave of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice and my Lords, now I want to request your Lordship to kindly, my Lord, the Chief Justice, to unveil the plaque over here. This is the Magistrate Court, which is situated within our district courtroom.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Now, my Lord, we will enter into the courtroom and we'll cut the ribbon.
Please.
Already, the entire setup has been shown to your Lordship. Now, if my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice would like to say something, and
My beloved officers and others who are present, what has been opened today is called a child-friendly court. Every facility, whether it is of technological importance or otherwise, every facility should be user-friendly. So a child-friendly court should be firstly friendly to the child. Mere availability of certain infrastructure, mere availability of glass wall separations, curtains which keep the witness away from the accused viewing the witness, all those things by themselves do not really result in the ultimate aim to entrust the judicial officers with the confidence building process through which the child witnesses or the child victims or children who come to court to participate in such proceedings are made feasible to completely open up and say whatever needs to be said. The facility that has to be provided beyond all infrastructural issues is the modality in which the judges and others participating in the court proceedings keep the friendly attitude with the child, thereby ensuring that the institution continues to maintain not only a cordial atmosphere, but also instill confidence in the child who comes to that court. This is how the child-friendly court can become truly child-friendly in the fullest meaning. I'm sure that this child-friendly court, which is today inaugurated, has all the requisite infrastructural facilities and human minds, which will necessarily utilize those facilities in the best interest of the children. On behalf of all those who are present here, among the honorable judges of the High Court, among the registry members, as well as the judicial officers of the district, I declare this child-friendly court open. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Chief.